Do you like to crash your Tinyhawk into things? But you do it anyway, don't you? And then your camera pops out, huh? Well, guess what? Here's the fix. Welcome to the Krashcan. This is a quick fix for the camera that pops out every time we take a hard hit in the Tinyhawk. It's popped out probably about 4 or 5 times, and it's such a pain in the butt to put back in. So I'm going to show you what I did. It's nice, simple, cheap, and easy, and it works well. Stay tuned.
What you want? What you want? Come on.
Alright, so guys, I'm sure anybody who's had a Tinyhawk and taken a good hit, this little camera pops out, and it is a pain in the butt to put back in. So, I got a little idea. The simple fix is a little bit of hot glue. So, get it back into place. And then where that tab comes in, just put a dab of hot glue. Now, the good thing about that is if you ever have to replace it, it's easy to come off. But not when you wreck. It'll stay in. Very cool. And if you want to put a little bit extra, you might even want to put a dab here, but I didn't need to do that. Anyway, hope that helps. Try it out if you want. Seems to be working. This is my one I broke the other day. I got another one because the EC blew, and the EC was $50. I might as well just buy another one, then I'll have spare parts too. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.
What you want? What you want? Come on. What you want? What you want? Come on. What you want? Come on.